Welcome to our review of HSBC personal loans in the United Kingdom. If you're considering borrowing money for a specific purpose or need some extra funds to manage expenses, a personal loan can be a helpful option. In this video, we will explore the features, advantages, and disadvantages of HSBC personal loans. By the end of this review, you will have a clear understanding of whether an HSBC personal loan is right for you. The HSBC is one of the most well-known banks in the UK and offers a variety of banking services, including personal loans. You can borrow between £1,000 and £25,000 if you are a standard HSBC customer. If you have an HSBC Premier account, you can borrow up to £50,000. Speed and convenience. When it comes to applying for a loan, existing customers benefit from faster processing times. If you are already a customer, the application process is quick and may take only a few minutes. You could have the money in your account almost instantly once you have signed the loan agreement. However, if you do not have an HSBC account, the process can take longer. One notable aspect of HSBC personal loans is the flexibility in repayment options. Once you have made your first monthly payment, you can change your repayment date if needed. This can be helpful if you find that a different date works better for your budget. However, it is important to note that you can only make this change twice within a 12-month period. Another advantage of HSBC personal loans is that they allow for joint applications. If you apply for a joint loan with a family member or friend, you may increase your chances of approval, especially if that person has a higher income or a better credit score. Keep in mind that if you take out a joint loan, both parties are equally responsible for repaying the loan. No collateral required. The HSBC personal loans are unsecured loans, meaning you do not need to provide collateral to secure the loan. This can be beneficial if you do not want to risk losing an asset, such as your home, in case you are unable to make payments. Before applying for an HSBC personal loan, it is essential to check whether you meet the eligibility criteria. To qualify for a loan, you must be a UK resident over 18 years of age, earn at least £10,000 a year before tax, and have a UK bank or building society account that has a direct debit facility. The HSBC will consider your income, expenses, employment status, and other relevant information when deciding if you can afford to repay the loan. When it comes to the interest rates, HSBC offers a representative annual percentage rate of 6.6%. This rate may vary depending on your credit history and the amount you are borrowing. It is important to understand that the representative APR is the rate offered to at least 51% of successful applicants, so you may receive a different rate based on your individual circumstances. In addition to the repayment flexibility, HSBC also allows for overpayments without charging penalty fees. If you ever find yourself in a position where you want to pay off your loan early, the HSBC allows for early repayment without penalty fees as well. However, you should be aware that HSBC will charge you for 28 days worth of interest from the day after you request to pay off the loan, along with an additional month. Customer support is another critical factor to consider when choosing a lender. While HSBC is a reputable bank, it is essential to consider customer ratings as part of your research. On Trustpilot, HSBC has received a poor rating from over 9,000 reviews. It is important to note that these ratings reflect HSBC's overall services and not just those related to personal loans. Existing versus non-customers. When applying for an HSBC personal loan, the process can vary depending on whether you are an existing customer or not. Existing customers can apply for a loan through their online banking or mobile app. If you do not have an HSBC account, you can apply online as well. The initial step requires you to provide personal and financial details, after which HSBC will perform a soft credit check to determine your likelihood of being accepted for a loan. Weighing the pros and cons. In conclusion, HSBC personal loans offer a range of features and benefits for both existing and new customers. With the ability to apply for a joint loan, flexible repayment options, and the option to pay off loans early. HSBC could be a suitable choice for those in need of financial assistance. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much it for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.